Want to create PowerPoint presentation to show the team members of your organization and don't know how to do it? Let me show you how you can create these beautiful effects in Microsoft PowerPoint. First, add your pictures to the slide. Go to Picture Format and crop the image to aspect ratio of 1:1 for all the pictures. Now select the pictures and in Fill option, select Gradient Fill and choose the color. Do this for all the pictures. Now we are going to add a circle shape. First, copy the picture and then right-click on the circle and click on Format Shape. We are going to select Picture or Texture Fill for this. Now click on Clipboard. This will automatically place the picture in the circle. Now click on Picture Format and in Picture Border choose the desired color. Now we can delete the original picture. To save time, we will make copies of this circle shape with image as shown. Copy one picture and then click on Copied Circle and select Format Picture. Click on Clipboard. You see the picture pasted in the circle. Now do this for all the other team members. Create all members' photos like the above method shown. We are going to adjust the sizes of the pictures, resize it as shown. Select all and click on Format Object. In Format Pictures, make sure to untick the Rotate with Shape option. Now add text and some shapes as shown. Now select all and using Ctrl+G, we are going to group them together. The main member of the team should be in the center. Then we duplicate the slide. On the second slide, change the staff and put it in center. Change the name and position of staff. Now rotate the position of the second person. Duplicate the second slide and we are going to repeat the procedure for all the other members. All the slides look like this. Their rotate position is like this. Now we have to ungroup all of the slides. After this, select all slides using the Shift key and go to Transitions tab. Click on Morph Transition, change the duration to 1. Untick the mouse option and tick after and make it 1. Click on Slideshow. It's a cool way to show members of your organization. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel if you really enjoyed this video. It keeps me motivated to bring more amazing content for you all. See you in the next video.